ating Wi-Fi connection, maaari na po natin i-download ang Kultura app sa ating mga smartphone devices. Muli, ang Kultura app ay naglalayong bigyan tayo ng karagdagang impormasyon tungkol sa ating cultural and heritage sites at hikayatin ang mga turista, parehong lokal at international, na bisitahin ang mga lugar na ito at magkaroon ng mas malalim at na magbibigay halaga sa ating sining at kultura ng bansang Pilipinas. Sa bahaging ito, upang bigyan tayo ng patikim sa mga nilalaman ng Kultura app, tinatawagan po natin ang developer ng Kultura app mula sa InnoPub Media. Parapakan po natin, Max Lipka para sa ating app demonstration. Yan yung yes. Gusto ko sana magsalita sa Pilipino at hindi ako sa partners namin. So, tayo doon sa sinan. Noel, of course. Someone by its name, history builds on stories. It is an account, a chronicle, a narrative of past events. The bronze and granite that make up the Rizal Monument is built in the story of a great human, a one-of-a-kind Filipino. What we're doing today is to continue gathering these stories, these narratives, and sharing it using modern devices and the latest technology. What we're launching today is a collaboration that seeks to make history and culture interactive. We're working toward making historical and cultural information more widely available on powerful devices that we carry with us wherever we go, our phones. The project is called Digital Tourism and it has several components. I'll walk you through three of the major components. It has its roots in Cebu, where I'm based. Because at one time, 5 or 6 years ago, I was in one of the heritage houses. And then, when you're confronted with something new, sometimes you talk to yourself and you say, what's your story? What's the story behind this? And then I realized that you can use technology to tell that story. So that's what we're doing now. The first component is a mobile app called Kultura. This one you can download ahead and then use anywhere, even without internet. This is a collaboration among the key partners, SMART, DOT, NCCA, and all the other groups. So basically, it tells the stories of the different places and things to check out throughout the country. These are the sections. So you have about people, places to check out. Again, as I said, this is just a start. These are the initial information that we have and then we place in the app. We will be, in fact, as we are launching right now, another version is on the way, and then we will continually work on this. So the app is available on the Android and the Apple App Store for you to install. And also, we will be putting up download stations to make this available in key locations in the country. Download stations are similar to this. You can just scan, which I will demo later. You can just scan to be able to open the download page. And if you use Facebook Messenger, pwede nyo rin scan using Facebook Messenger scan, and then mag-open doon, and then it will give you the download links, which will also be updated. So yan yung app. It's a work in progress. We are continually updating it, and we're working with the partners to add information and to add features. Another component of the project is the installation of interactive markers. So it's similar to this one. Ito yung mock-up na model na pinalaki. So you have yung typical na markers, you have yung 1, 2, or 3 paragraphs of information. But when you scan yung code, it will download more information about the site or a structure. So in this case, Rizal Monument. So what I'll do is I'll demo yung scanning. Sa Android, most of the Android phones, you don't need to install an app. Yung camera niya recognizes QR code. So open mo yung camera, check if your phone does that. But sa ano kasi, sa iPhone, you need a QR code scanner. So all you need to do, so there, scan. It will open more information, it will download more information. In this case, about Rizal Monument, and then may focus ko siya to make it interactive, can add more data, video. So, right there and then sa site mismo, you'll be able to read about the Rizal Monument, more information about it. Getting the information curated by the SSA and all the other partners. So, we'll be installing in smaller version, not that big. And then, if we also have the newer na mga Android phones, there's a technology called NFC. It's called Near Field Communication. Na you don't need to scan, itabi mo na lang yung phone mo sa yung symbol ng NFC dyan sa marker. So that's the second component. So we have the app, we have the interactive marker. All these work together. Kasi yung marker, pwede natin ma-add yung information and download the app. And then the third one is called I'm sure you've heard of this, a chatbot. If you use Facebook, you have a messenger account. You can also interact with Kultura there. You can actually chat directly sa open mo lang yung Facebook Messenger mo and then look for Kultura. But you can also use yung Facebook na Messenger code. You open yung Facebook mo, Facebook Messenger, you tap on people. I think people in or contacts yun sa Android, this one is an iOS. And then you choose scan code. Okay. Scan code, and then nag-open ang Facebook. So, open niya yung page. And then you tap on get started. Okay. So, since Facebook yan, the system knows information about you. In this case, alam niya na si Max ako. So, hi Max, welcome to Kultura. Ang option, I can choose download Kultura, and then Android iOS version. But yung chatbot, this one is a work in progress. The information right now is on the Rizal Monument and Luneta. Ito yung chatbot system. You can talk to Kultura. For instance, I'll say, I'm in Luneta. So, there. So, hi Max, Luneta is a historic place, and then information about Luneta, old photo, and then places of interest, where to go, and then pwede, somebody will check location, it will use maps to show you where it is. So, pwede, wala ka rin mo, i-guide ka how to get there. Then, of course, about the monument, about the Rizal Monument. Again, it's an automatic system. So, pwede mo rin tanong, sino ba si Rizal? Jose Rizal.
So andun yung information about Rizal, may photo, we can add videos later, audio, make it interactive. And also this can be a way for us to interact with tourists na i-allow natin na they can report na kung sila na yung structure dito and then take a photo para ma-inform yung government agencies na sila na pala yan. So it's a system that we can build on. What is important is the data gathered by our agencies, the SCA. The technology, will change, and in fact, they're saying it will disappear. Technology becomes like water. Na parang part na siya of our everyday life and we take for granted. Again, these are early days. This is just the start of the collaboration. A lot of work lies ahead of us. It is significant that we are holding this launch at this place and at this time because today is the birthday of a great Filipino whom we honor with a monument here and in ceremonies throughout the country. Where we are is very near what is called Kilometer Zero of the rest of the Philippines. The launch in effect is day 1 and Kilometer Zero of a collaborative effort that will take some time and will bring us all over the country. Maraming salamat.